Thank you for joining us today to learn more about education in Merced County and some of the great things happening in our schools. Technology has become an increasingly important part of the modern classroom, and we want to show you how technology is implemented in one of our smallest school districts and one of our largest school districts, and how the Merced County Office of Education works to support technology needs throughout the county.
The Bleecker School District is made up of 347 students. We have two schools. We have Cressy School, which serves students transitional kindergarten through 3rd grade. Then we have Bleecker School that serves students in grades 3 through 8. The Bleecker School District has embraced technology in multiple ways. Technology enhances our school's learning environments in a variety of ways, but the biggest one, it allows us to do 24/7 learning anywhere, anytime. Because the student has a device that we provide them and they're able to take it outside of school. And so when they leave our school, the learning doesn't stop. It doesn't slow down. They're able to access information from anywhere. They're able to get help from their teachers, email me with concerns. So, it really has allowed us to expand our learning opportunities and really allow kids to apply what they're learning in the classroom. Through this 21st century learning that we are doing, it's important being in a rural, small community that we expose our kids to the opportunities that are out there for them outside of our county and our community. And so we have taken our students over to Google, and our students took a tour of the Googleplex. They have a very unique setup there that I believe will allow our students to see something different and applications from what they're learning today and being able to apply it in the real world. The game changer is 24/7 internet access anywhere they go, because through exploring and that creative side that kids have, they will find things, they will develop. I have a 5th grader who has a YouTube page and also a web page that is related to her YouTube page, and through her learning here, she has figured out how to do those things, and she has set up her web page very much like a business, and you would see with GQ magazine and those kinds of things. She has made her fellow classmates fill out an application and then interview with her to be part of that project. And so, we already have kids in 5th grade thinking entrepreneurially, and it's happening organically because they have internet access anytime.
As Media and Technology Coordinator at the County Office of Education, my role is to support and provide resources and training to districts in Merced County. The County Office of Education has a leadership role to play in the implementation of technology. Not all of our school districts have the capacity to explore and to implement technologies that really would make a difference for students. The collaborative nature of the county office and our school districts is really important in this venture. We work together well to make sure that our teachers and students have the best possible technology so that they can get to the outcomes that they desire. The rapid pace of technology change requires that students learn how to think in a critical and creative way, that they learn how to collaborate and communicate with each other about best practices and ways of understanding a rapidly changing learning environment. We don't know what kind of devices or technology or even jobs that they may have in 10 or 15 years, but we do know that they'll need to have the critical thinking skills, the ability to communicate, collaborate, and be creative in how they approach their careers and their college futures.
The IT department, we help provide the technology infrastructure that supports the wireless devices like the iPads and the netbooks. The NCOE ITS department consists of nearly 20 staff members that help support the Career and Alternative Education program, the Head Start program, and the special ed programs throughout Merced County with their technology needs. We provide the infrastructure that support the experience-enhancing technologies that are used today in the classrooms. The ultimate goal of the MCOE ITS department is to benefit the student success in Merced County.
Our implementation of technology in the classroom begins with sound instruction. Beyond sound instruction, we figure out how technology can enhance the experience of students in the classroom. And then we work to infuse technology to give our students access to information and skills that weren't necessarily available when we only had textbooks and when that was the only mode of instruction. So and that's our approach to implementing technology in the classroom. The resources that are available to students and teachers, they're invaluable. They're infinite, and with a textbook, with a static textbook, we were limited to what was in the textbook. So the way it's changed instruction at our school is that we now teach our students skills as far as how to vet information, go find information, synthesize information, then demonstrate understanding. Our students are doing amazing things in some of our career pathways. Our students are creating their own programs, their own games, they're coding at a high level, and those are things that we are proud of. Learn how to communicate in ways that they otherwise would not have been exposed to, and I think that these are skills that are going to really benefit them in the future, beyond high school.
The access to much more information that was available in the past at high schools that came out of textbooks. There's so much information out there, and with the internet and these individual devices, the teachers now have a chance to be on the cutting edge, and students have access to that information that will enhance their learning and increase the rigor of the classes. I think it's exposing them to the many jobs that are out there and the careers that are available to them, not just those jobs that are available in Merced County. Half the jobs in the next 10 to 15 years haven't been invented yet. And part of our job is preparing our students for the 21st century. Technology has always been one of the main goals of our board, no matter who has been on the board. And I truly appreciate that, because they've put it in the forefront and made the resources available. And like I mentioned before, preparing our students for the 21st century has to involve technology, their access to it, and the utilization of it. Access to technology is very important, but when you get down to it, our devices, the Chromebooks, are just a tool. The instructor in the classroom is still by far the most important thing that we have.
I hope this gave you a better understanding of how technology is implemented in the classroom and how it is benefiting the many students in Merced County. Thanks to Bleecker Superintendent Brian Ballinger and Merced Union High School District Superintendent Scott Scambray for allowing us to film in their schools and for the work they do to make every student a success.